Hey, what's up, viewers? Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to have you here, guys, because we have got something incredible to share, guys. The power of QR codes. If you have ever wondered how to easily create a QR code for your website, URL, any application, or anything else, guys, so this is the right video for you guys. QR code are like magic little portals, guys, that can instantly connect to your audience to a whole world of information with a simple scan, guide. So in this video, we'll take you on a step-to-step journey to create your own personalized QR code. And the best part is it won't you cost any money, guys. This is totally free, guys. That's right. We are going to show you ultimate free QR code generator that's super user friendly and packed with awesome feature, guys. So without further delay, let's start the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you will have to open your Google Chrome and you will have to search QR code art generator. Then the first website you will have to open, guys. Then firstly, you will have to log in, guys. After logged in, this kind of interface will come. So I have given the link in the description below also if you are not finding this link. So by clicking on that link, just logged in and come to this interface. After that, you have to generate the QR code for any for your application, for your website, for your YouTube channel, for anything, guys. So suppose I want to create QR code for my YouTube channel, guys. So I have already copied the URL of my YouTube channel. So I'll paste it here. Suppose see they are asking QR code content or URL. So I have pasted here my YouTube channel URL. After that, this is optional, guys. QR code image. If you wanna add any images and very similar to create the QR code, very similar to images. So you can well, upload it here. I will not upload. This is option. So go down and just give the prompt, guys. What kind of QR code you want? So simple. Give it prompt QR code for my YouTube channel. QR code for my YouTube channel. A negative prompt you can give it. Otherwise, go down. And everything is already set, guys. Otherwise, you can set it according to your convenience. After that, speed, seed, anything, everything is set already. So just click on run and see the magic cakes. You will have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds and see. They will see, guys. They have created the QR code for my YouTube channel. So you can just check it, guys. Go to the Google Chrome and open the links and just check out. Uh, if you scan this QR code, you will get my YouTube channel link. So this is very amazing, guys. So I guess this is the easiest way to create a QR code for any website application for any URL, guys. Now I will show you guys how you can download this QR code and you can print it and you can use it anywhere you want, guys. So go up and there will be, see, guys, there is a download icon. So just click on download icon and see, guys, the images got downloaded. So let me open it for you. See, guys, this is my QR code for my YouTube channel. So it got already downloaded in PNG format. So you can just download it and you can print it. You can use it anywhere you want, guys. So I hope you like the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you wanna support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. All the best.